In the heart of the desert, two legends await their destiny.
When metal meets magic, the impossible becomes reality.
Two titans forged from steel and fire, prepared to clash.
Strength meets strategy, power meets precision. This is the ultimate test.
In the end, it's not about victory. It's about the fight.
In the desert of legends, two titans awaken. Only one will stand.
The clash begins. Steel meets steel. Honor meets fury.
Agility versus strength. Every strike a test of will.
Victory is forged in the heat of battle. In the end, only the strongest survive.